everyone. Before we move forward to the shorthand, I would like to share some basic points for the beginners. For shorthand, we generally use these notebooks which have wider space to draw the outlines of the shorthand, because in shorthand we generally make the outlines on the line, above the line or through the line. So we need a wider space to draw the outlines. Secondly, we are going to study Pitman shorthand, which is published by Sir Isaac Pitman in 1837. Shorthand is nothing but just a symbolic language based on sounds we heard in English. Like we write talk, T-A-L-K in English, but the letter L is silent there, but we still write it, but we don't pronounce it. But in shorthand, we don't either write the L. We just write T, L and K with our vowel. Okay, now you can purchase this book with the answer key on your any stationery nearby you. To study English shorthand, but my videos will be in bilingual so that anyone can get it easily. I'll speak in English and as well as Hindi. Let's get started with the first chapter. We are going to start with the introduction. In English letter, we have 26 alphabets and 5 vowels, but in shorthand we have 24 consonants and 12 vowels with 4 diphthongs. Okay, we will start with the 6 main consonants that are represented by straight stroke lines written downward, like P, B, T, D, Ch and J. They are pronounced like P, B, T, D, but we'll pronounce it Che, not Chi or Cha. It will be Che. Last, J. Now it comes how we should write these strokes. I will make you understand by drawing a circle. Now you can see this is P and B, T and D, and this is Ch and J, which I mean this stroke will be used for PV, and this vertical stroke is used for T and D and Ch and J, like P, B, T, D, Ch, J. Now you will ask me, how will you differentiate between PB, TD and J as they are looking just similar to other? I will tell you, we will write P light and B dark. We will write T light and D dark. Similarly, J light and J dark. Okay, now we will move forward to our vowel A. A sound. A long sound of A is denoted by dark dot on the second place of the stroke. What is second place? I will tell you, which is put it on the middle of the stroke. We will use this A in the consonants we have studied, like P, B, T, D, Ch, J. But if you put this with the vowel, it will pronounce P. In the B, it will pronounce Be. On the T, it will pronounce Te. On the D, it will pronounce De. On Ch, it is already a J, and on J, it is J. You can put this vowel before the stroke also, like this. This is the second place. Ape. Abe. Eight. Aid. Here. Age. You can use the vowel A before the stroke or after the stroke. It will sound this if we put after the stroke, and it will sound this if we put it before the stroke. After we have studied the main consonants, a phrase or a word, like if you add paid, it will be paid. Okay. If you add page, page. Make sure you always put this vowel after you make complete a stroke. Date, date. Right? Babe, babe. Tape, tape. First make your stroke, then put the vowel on the second place for the sound A. This is all for today. I hope you like my video. If you like it and found it informative, please share it and comment your any suggestion you want to give, you want to learn, you want me to do. I will make a continuous video of this Pitman book. Last, please stay tuned and watch our videos and subscribe it.